Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sign out all devices on Clash of Clans. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So the thing with Clash of Clans here is if you want to log out from other devices, especially if your Clash of Clans account is connected to another device that isn't yours, well, you need to manage your Supercell account as well. So in this case, first things first is you want to go ahead and visit supercell.com here so that you can access their website. So in this case, at the top right, you want to go and click on ID and click on claim. Now in here, you want to go and click on log in with Supercell, and you want to go ahead and basically provide the necessary details. So first, you want to go and click on the enter your email here. Go and enter your email and click on log in. Now, once you've entered your email address, you'll be receiving an OTP here. So go ahead and just copy that. And you want to go and head over to the previous page where you're trying to log in and just enter the OTP that you just recently received. Now, once you've logged in, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and head over back into your email account. Again, you want to go to inbox and you want to look for any notifications here of any new logins for your account. So again, it might take a while, so just wait for it. Now, in this case, this is what you should be seeing. It's going to say Supercell ID new device alert. Now, if you don't see the Supercell ID new device alert here, it is highly recommended that you try logging in with a different device, like another phone that you haven't logged in before, and try logging it via that way. Now, once you do see this notification here, you can go and just click on this is not my device, and it will redirect you to another page. Now, you should be able to see the screen here, so go and just click on the log out on all devices on your screen. And once you click on it, you should be able to see that it says all devices has been logged out from your account. So basically, you're going to start from scratch here. You're going to just re-log in into your previous account and or in this case, or previous device, in our case here, and you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.